Hi guys, my name is Manohar and yeah, we are in the final week now of CAT and I'm here to help you all. So since we are in the final week, I'll not take much time and go over the DILR strategy as quickly as possible, right? जितना भी टिप्स देना था वो हम काफ़ी शेयर कर चुके हैं and I hope you've been seeing some positive results in your towards the end. Even if not, that is not a complete picture of how your D day is going to be. Nobody is going to ask how much you got in a particular mock. So whatever you do, D day is what matters. Just keep that in mind. No matter how your mocks performance are right now, usse dishearten mat hona. Anyway, this is mock test number 24 and DLR section. Let's dive in. Right, 23rd set, काफ़ी बड़ा 2 data tables दिए हैं and too much data to read. Not even going to read it right now. It doesn't matter if it's easy, but मेरे को time investment बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है इसमें, right? So let's see how many. I'm assuming 4 questions तो होंगे minimum. Okay, and फिर होगा 27th. Okay, cool. So 23 to 26 will be my towards the end वाला question. This will be tables. I've not even read the question and यहाँ पे मैं उसको सीधा टिल दे दूंगा. क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ने का लॉजिक यही रहा कि मेरे को टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है, बिकॉज लेट्स डू दिस एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल, राइट. 27 5 स्टूडेंट्स ABCDE, म्यूजिक टीचर, वायलिन, तबला, वायलिन, गिटार, माउथ ऑर्गन, पियानो सिखाते होंगे, ठीक है. taught by 5 different professors. A professor teaches exactly students in semester. मतलब एक स्टूडेंट ने बेसिकली 2 ही इंस्ट्रूमेंट, मतलब 2 स्टूडेंट्स एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट उठा रहे बस. That is what this condition is. B, C, D, E, B, D has opted, C, D, B and C has opted. Okay, cool. So P, Q, R, S, T essentially पिक्चर में आएंगे भी नहीं, बिकॉज उनके बारे में तो यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं पूछा गया एंड यहाँ पे कंडीशंस भी नहीं दिए, रिस्पेक्टिवली नहीं लिखा गया. सो मेरा दूसरा अजम्पशन वही रहेगा कि रिस्पेक्टिवली हो सकता है. सो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि क्वेश्चन में फिर P, Q, R, S, T के बारे में कुछ दिया हो नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कंडीशन में कहीं पे मेंशन नहीं हुआ है. लेट्स सी. 28. Okay, A has opted for, cool. 29. Mouth organ was opted by, okay. 30. Perfect. And इसके भी 4 होंगे, I'm assuming. Perfect. Same. So 27 to 30. Instruments. Okay. And यहाँ पे positive because ये पक्का करना है अपने को. Very small set, come data to read and very conventional also. So it's a no-brainer. You could, in Ketan Bhai's words, that could be categorized as a 80 percentile data set. कि वो solve तो तुमको करना ही होगा, right? College supervisor finalizing details for seminar. Seminar will be conducted. 1 2 3 sessions होंगे. 2 from the following professors. Okay, professors के नाम है. Will be assigned exactly 1 team. Team formation का समय है, ठीक है. ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कंडक्टिंग सच. ओके, कुछ ट्रेंड है, किनके पास जॉब एक्सपीरियंसेस है एंड किनके पास नहीं है. द फॉलोइंग रिस्ट्रिक्शंस एंड वहाँ पे फिर कंडीशन होंगे. बेसिकली ये आपका टीम फॉर्मेशन वाला कन्वेंशनल सम हो गया. डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं लग रहा है, सो इस पे भी डेफिनेट टिक जाएगा. क्वेश्चन देख लो. हरिहरन, हाँ ठीक है, ये सिनेरियो बेस्ड हो गया. ये वाला एक आपको कट डाउन कर देगा बेसिकली आपका काम वो क्वेश्चन. They cannot make an acceptable schedule that assigns, right. So आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा वाला out of the 4 is not really working out. Very easy set this one, honestly. This also should be something that you should do. Leela then is assigned to session 3, so it must be true. Option number you choose as your answer. Fair. Okay, done. ठीक है. Which of the following is a complete and accurate list of professors whom the supervisor can assign to be Muralidharan's partner? Okay, so आपको यहाँ पे permutation combination try करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. I'm assuming कि 34 तक ही होगा, right? Perfect. 34 equal to sessions करके लिखते हैं. Team basically equal to, ये भी मेरा प्लस हो जाएगा, ठीक है. यहाँ पे हम इक्वल टू रख देते हैं जस्ट सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. यहाँ पे भी हम इक्वल टू यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, 34 done. Let's look at the next set. 35. Okay, 35. Mr. William was appointed. Marketing. Whoa, not reading it. Not reading it. Just not worth it. Yeah, 36, 37, 38, 39. Oh wow. Okay, 35 से 38. Okay, 4 questions तो है इसमें. 35 से 38 equal to, this is something. Okay, appointed marketing rail coach factory. Rail coach factory लिख दो. Rail factory. Mr. William लिख दो ना, because that's how we'll remember the set. You've not even read it. इसको till दे देते हैं. ठीक है, because अपने पास already दो काफ़ी positive sets हैं which will be solved very easily. This is an ideal section where your entire paper just depends on the sets that you're picking, because अगर आप आप directly paper start करते हो and आपने first set ही उठा लिया, आप definitely trapped होने वाले हो. You need to first get your basics done कि okay ठीक है, जो सबसे easiest है वो तो उठा लूँ मैं पहले, right? 39, train 1, train 2, train 3, 4 है, start from railway junction. Okay, these train transport passenger different parts of the city, capacity of each train is different. Further, when any train is in transit, the passengers in the transit get off from the train at a constant rate. For each train capacity, rate at which passengers get off, average speed of the train. After traveling 90 kilometers from railway junction. Okay. Difficult नहीं है ये भी doable है, definitely doable है. कितने सारे questions देख लेते हैं अपन. See which is x kilometers and train postal as around 5,000 and calculate the value of x. Fair. Okay. 2000 after reaching the area. Basic maths में ही आपका ये solve हो जाएगा. Simple maths ही use करना पड़ेगा. So I think there are only 3 questions in this. So ये मेरे थोड़े priority list में नीचे चला जाएगा. Fair. 41, 39, 40, 41. Perfect. And this will be trains. This will also be a plus. Means I want to attempt it. But definitely thinking about it, priority list में थोड़ा चला नीचे जाएगा. ठीक है, 43 देखते हैं क्या होगा. 42 बचा है. Okay. 5 road plying in the hinterlands of Australia. Each road train is hauled by tractor. Okay, they are ranked on the basis of their weight, total length, their average cruise. So the heaviest, fastest, and longest is given rank 1. Okay, ranking वाला सामान. Not rank 1 has the same rank as parameter of speed. Okay, which of the following route train is the longest? 6 conditions है. थोड़ा reading थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, marginally बोल सकते हैं, but otherwise it's fine. Yeah, okay. 43, which of the does not have the last rank? Okay, cool. Questions with the rank of how many train can be determined uniquely all of the given parameters. Okay. So देखना पड़ेगा इस scenario based क्या है. And yeah, wow, we are done with the paper then. I think ये start हो गया आपका Quants, right? Perfect. Yeah, we are done. So 42 to 44. Doing this trains road लिख दो, रैंकिंग लिख दो ना, बेस्ट हो जाएगा. रैंकिंग इक्वल टू ये भी प्लस है. वाओ गाइस, वेरी हाई स्कोरिंग डेटा सेट आई वुड से. मेरा फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी वुड बी इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड सेशंस. ये दोनों में से मैं कोई भी उठा सकता हूँ. दोनों बहुत पॉजिटिवली सॉल्व हो सकते हैं. Then I might go for trains and I'll definitely go trains and then I'll go ranking में थोड़ा ज़्यादा data set है. Trains at least individually some solve हो जाएंगे, right? Like तीनों independent questions है, so that is why मेरा उसमें preference थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहेगा, because दोनों में मेरे हिसाब से तो दोनों में the difficulty level is the same, and also trains is much easier to solve individually. While in ranking, you will have to solve the entire data set to actually get to the answer. Post the 4, if I still have some time, right? I think these 4 should suffice, honestly. आपका time इधर खत्म हो जाएगा, या maybe if you are fast enough and you are able to solve the 4 एकदम फटाफट, then you might have last 10 to 8 minutes. So it depends now which one you want to go for, Mr. William or tables. I would have gone for tables because उसमें relatively थोड़ा कम reading था, and it had sort of an algorithmic feel to it. So preference I would have given to tables and Mr. William अगर last में time बचा तो. So this is my take on this particular section, guys. Best of luck. Shorter videos because you need to spend more time prepping. Right. Best of luck for the last week. Thank you.